What's going on, guys? Steve here. I'm going to attempt to bake my headlights apart. Feeling brave. I want to put an LED strip right here inside. See how it works. I've already got one in there. It's been in there for about 5 minutes. Give it another 10. See what happens. I took the headlights out, took the bulbs, strobes, and this rubber thing. Took that out and just taking all the precautions. I don't want to melt anything. Let's see how it works. This is what we got going on afterwards. You're going to pry all around here, nice and slow and easy, until you see the black. See how this is white? This would be a solid black color because it'd be bonded with the glue. Basically what I did was I put this part, and this part was on top of this. So what I did is I got a screwdriver, I went like this and got under it and flipped it. So now this was on top of this, so I knew the seal was broken. You work yourself all the way around, and that's what you get. This is fixed because this is your headlight adjustment that stays as part of the frame of the headlight, and this is the overall outline of it. Now you get behind the reflector. I'm going to put an LED strip right there. I'll show you in a minute. So I went ahead and waxed the lens and everything else in here. Get all the imperfections off. Wax the inside of here, just because this way lessens the fogging if moisture does get in. And now we've put this on. It's like a little LED strip. Give a quick preview of what it might look like. I've never done this before a videotape, so this is going to be new to me and you. That's the overall outline of it. So you just give me a minute to hook up. Also keep in mind, if you're going to do this, keep one headlight together so you have something to go back on. Whoa! So you have something to go back on. For placement, you have to move something over. That's basically what it's going to be like. I was thinking about painting in between black, but from a distance you're not even going to notice it. All you're going to see is that. Well, not bad. Put the lens on, I'll show you what it looks like together. Basically, overall, what it's going to look like. I didn't glue it in, I just put it on. I don't think it looks too bad. And then when you look at it, it's all inside, you can't see anything, it's all smooth around it. So it kind of looks factory. I know it's pretty dark out, just to give you a quick look at what it looks like. Hook it up to your ignition, and that's what you have. And then as you go past it, it doesn't stick out. It stays flush. I'll do another shot in the daylight. This is what it looks like with everything else on. Surprisingly, in the daylight, I'm not too impressed. It looks better in like a twilight or dusk. We get the job done. You definitely notice that. walk around.